It was a bright and peaceful moment. Tom polished a small red car that he had been fixing for days. The car looked shiny, fresh and ready for a babe ride. Jerry peeked from the garage window, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He had never gone. It was a bright and peaceful moment. Tom polished a small red car that he had been fixing for days. The car looked shiny, fresh and ready for a babe ride. Jerry peeked from the garage window, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He had never gone on a real drive before. "Wanna join?" Tom asked proudly, holding the keys. Jerry nodded eagerly and jumped onto the dashboard like a tiny co-driver. Tom started the engine. Vroom! The car shook a little. Jerry laughed and off they went on their adventure. As they drove through the town, Tom kept both hands on the steering wheel, feeling like a professional driver. Jerry stood beside him, pointing at everything they passed: trees, shops, balloons, and even other animals. Every turn brought something new. Soon, they reached a long countryside road. The wind blew strongly. Jerry's tiny ears flapped like mini wings, and Tom enjoyed the fresh air. They played their favorite driving game. Jerry would tap the dashboard twice, and Tom would honk the horn. Beep, beep. Jerry would tap 3 times, and Tom would speed up just a little. Both of them laughed like best friends on a perfect trip. Then the adventure got more exciting. A butterfly landed on Jerry's head, surprised. Jerry jumped onto Tom's shoulder. Tom panicked for a moment and swerved the car slightly, but quickly brought it back under control. They both breathed a sigh of relief and then burst out laughing. It wasn't dangerous, but definitely funny. They continued down to a small hill with a road sloped downward. Jerry stretched his arms out as if flying, and Tom pressed the accelerator gently. The car smoothly rolled downhill.